Hi everyone! In this video, we'll show you how to quickly create dashboard wireframes using UI Kit design skills in MockFlow Wireframe Pro, in under 2 minutes. Inside the Wireframe Pro editor, go to Change UI Pack. From here, we'll select the Blocks UI Kit. And then click on the Design with Linked Skills icon. This automatically adds the design skills to MIDA. Now in MIDA, we can simply describe what we want to build. For this example, we'll enter a prompt to create a travel booking admin dashboard with features like booking management, customer management, destinations, packages, payments, and reports, along with KPI cards, analytics charts, a recent bookings table, notifications, and user management. Once the prompt is ready, click Generate. And just like that, the dashboard wireframe is created instantly using the selected Blocks UI design style. Everything is neatly structured, fully editable, and ready to customize, collaborate on, or export. And that's how easily we can go from a simple idea, like a travel booking dashboard, to a complete, structured wireframe with all the key components already in place. Try it out with your own use case and see how quickly you can bring your ideas to life. We'll catch you in the next video.